Hi. Welcome back to my channel. I am Akra. Did you ever think why we sneeze when we look at the sun? We know that we sneeze when any foreign particle try to enter our nose. It cause tickling, which cause your body to sneeze. But how? The process of sneezing is related to sun. It is because when we look at the sun, the bright light causes the eye's pupil to constrict. This sudden change causes nose to secrete mucus from nasal membrane, which ultimately lead us to sneeze. If you found this video interesting, like this video and subscribe my channel for more amazing videos. See you next time.